Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are starting Grade 8, Chapter 3, Save Our Planet, Reduce, Reuse, and Recycle. In this video, I will explain and solve the book exercises from pages 41 to 46. Stay tuned and let's learn together how we can protect our Earth by reducing, reusing, and recycling. Let's get started.
Save our planet, reduce, reuse and recycle. All of us, as inhabitants of the planet Earth, are required to keep our environment clean and safe for us and our future generations. There are many ways to save our environment from destructions. You can help by learning about and practicing the 3 R's of waste management: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Recycling is a way to reduce the amount of garbage that is thrown away. The garbage is sent to landfills, where some of it pollutes the land air. As a result of recycling, some things that would have been thrown away are reused instead in new products. There are a lot of things that can be recycled, such as glass bottles, newspapers, magazines, plastics, aluminum cans and many more. Even water can be recycled. Before water is reused, it is cleaned and purified at a wastewater treatment plant. There are 2 types of recycling operations, internal and external. In internal recycling, an industry reclaims materials that are a waste product of a manufacturing process and reuses them within the same process. Internal recycling is common in the metals industry, for example. External recycling is the reclaiming of materials from a product that has been worn out or rendered obsolete. An example of external recycling is the collection of old newspapers and magazines for the manufacture of newsprint or other paper products. Governments and groups that try to protect the environment have encouraged people to recycle. They say that recycling is important in several ways. It reduces pollution of air, water, and land. It also protects natural resources such as trees, minerals, and oil. These do not get used up as quickly if people can reuse existing products made from these resources.
Now let's move to page 42. Find the meaning of the following words and use it in sentences. Word, synonym, sentence, reuse, repurpose. We reuse old bags for shopping. Reduce, minimize. They reduce waste by using less paper. Recycle, reprocess. She recycles cans and plastic bottles. Inhabitants, residents. The forest has many animal inhabitants. Destruction, ruin. Fire causes destruction in the forest. Landfills, dumps. Trash goes into large landfills. Purified, clarified. Water is purified before we drink it. Obsolete, outdated. Old computers become obsolete quickly. Manufacturing, production. Manufacturing produces toys and clothes. Now, let's have some fun with words. We will cut apart each word into syllables and then try to connect the syllables to make a new word. Get ready to break, connect, and create. Let's begin. So here are the answers of page 43. Word, syllables and the new word, industry and dust. Try. Dust, newspapers, news, paupers, paper, news. Existing, exist, environment, environment, environment. Meant, purified, purified, pure. Purify, management, management, manage. Meant, manufacturing, factoring, manufacture. Fact, minerals, minerals, mineral. Mine, encouraged, encouraged, courage, encourage. Let's move to page 43 and 44. Here you are asked to choose the best answer. E. Which of the following can be recycled? A soda bottle. B. Plastic spoon. C. Paper plates. D. Plastic bags. And the answer is a soda bottle. B. Recycling means taking trash and it into new products. A. Making. B. Creating. C. Transforming. D. Changing. And the answer C. Transforming. C. What is the term used to describe the objects that are being washed and used again? Reducing. B. Recycling. C. Reusing. D. Replanting. And the answer is C. Reusing. D. The following is an example of reducing. A. Using less water when taking a shower. B. Bringing used paper and newspaper to recycling center. C. Using plastic bags for the garbage. All of the above, and the answer is D. All of the above. Now let's write the answers of the questions given on page 40 for question 1. What does the 3 R means? Answer. The 3 R means reduce, reuse, and recycle. These are important ways to take care of our environment. We reduce the amount of waste, reuse things to avoid throwing them away, and recycle used materials to make new products. This helps save resources and keep our world clean. Question 2. Why should we recycle? Answer. We should recycle because it helps to protect the environment and save important natural resources like trees, water, and minerals. Recycling also reduces the amount of garbage in landfills, keeps our surroundings clean, and saves energy. By recycling, we make old items into new useful things and help fight pollution. Let's write the answers of the remaining questions, given on page 40 for question C. What are the two types of recycling operation? Explain in your own words. Answer. The two types of recycling operations are internal recycling and external recycling. Internal recycling means reusing waste materials inside the same factory to make new products. External recycling means collecting things like paper, plastic, and glass from homes and schools and turning them into new products at recycling centers. Both help reduce waste. D. List down the things that can be reduced, reused, and recycled. Answer. There are many things we use every day that can be reduced, reused, and recycled. For example, reduced water, electricity, plastic bags to save resources, reused bottles, cloth bags, gift boxes to avoid waste, recycled paper, soda cans, and plastic bottles to make new useful items and help protect the earth. Here is the answer of the last question, given on page 40 for question 5. Write down some of the benefits of recycling on the environment. Answer. Benefits of recycling on the environment are as follows. 1. Recycling reduces the amount of waste in landfills. 2. It saves important natural resources like trees, water, and minerals. 3. It helps to keep the air, water, and land clean. 4. Recycling reduces pollution in the environment. 5. Recycling helps fight climate change by reducing harmful gases. Now let's move to page 45. Time to test your grammar skills. In this part of page, we will complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb. Make sure to read each sentence carefully and choose the right verb form, past, present, or future. Let's get started. Here are the answer of page 45. 1. They say that recycling is important in several ways. 2. The inhabitants of the planet Earth are required to keep our environment clean and safe. 3. Before water is reused, it is cleaned and purified at a wastewater treatment plant. 4. Governments and groups that try to protect the environment have encouraged people to recycle. 5. People can reuse the existing products made from these resources. 6. You can help by learning about and practicing the 3 R's of waste management. Now let's move on to pages 45 and 46. Here, we will write the different verb forms of the given words and use each one in a sentence. This will help you understand how verbs change with tense. Let's practice together. Here are the answers. Write the different verb forms of the following words and use it in sentences. 1. Protects. She protects the flowers in the garden every day. 2. Protecting. The boy is protecting his little sister from the rain. 3. Protected. They protected the animals during the storm. 4. Protected. The trees have been protected by the worker. Here are the answers of page 46. Write the different verb forms of the following words and use it in sentences. 1. Infinitive word give. It's important to give others a chance. 2. S form gives. He gives food to the homeless every weekend. 3. Ing form giving. She is giving a presentation at the conference. 4. Past simple gave. He gave her a beautiful necklace for her birthday. 5. Past participle given. The teacher has given us extra homework this week. Next is the verb go. 1. Infinitive word go. I want to go to the park. 2. S form goes. She goes to school by bus. 3. Ing form going. They are going to the museum today. 4. Past simple went. We went to the beach last Sunday. 5. Past participle gone. She has gone to the library to study. So here is the last activity of this unit. Prepare a poster or infographics about recycling. Make sure to write some tips on how to recycle effectively. Use the verb forms while preparing the poster. In your poster, do talk about different types of waste, i.e. general waste, hazardous waste, recyclable waste. Let's look at the sample answer. Poster, recycle smart. Types of waste, general waste, food scraps, tissues, go in the trash. Hazardous waste, batteries, paint, give to safe centers. Recyclable waste, paper, cans, plastic, keep clean and sorted. Tips using verb forms. Let's go together. She gives her plastic to recycling. We are going to a cleanup event. They gave old items to charity. He has given away e-waste properly. I hope you found this video helpful and easy to understand. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like the video, share it with your classmates. Subscribe to my channel for more educational content. See you in the next lesson.